guys, we are back, and we
are one to size.
Wait, hold up. Wait.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we make stuff bigger and smaller. That's really cool. Okay, so.
Delicious evil chicken.
Hello, and welcome
Hello.
to your first day of training at Captain Cluck's king-size chicken.
Peacock.
The secret to our plump and juicy king-size chicken is in our proprietary and mostly all-natural chicken feed.
Okay.
I'm also supposed to tell you there are no side effects, but truth be told, anything that comes in contact with the feed has a way of growing to unnaturally large jumbo sizes, or mysteriously shrinking down to a convenient portable bite size.
Oh.
It's quite fascinating, really. Care to see it in action? Anything that has that glowy pollen stuff on it can be grown big and shrunk small.
Okay.
Go ahead and try it.
Okay, so these next few levels. Oh, okay. So if it has the pollen, okay. That's really cool. Oh my gosh. Wait, don't hurt the chickens.
It looks like Captain Cluck is pretty liberal with that chicken feed. It's on that.
Oh gosh.
Try shrinking and growing some of those objects, Skylander.
Yeah, we're gonna. Oh my gosh. So we can destroy the chicken wing boxes, but we hold L to respawn to a nearby character. L1. Whoa, that's really cool. I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's new.
Yeah, that is new.
Those feedbacks to solve this puzzle, Skylander.
Oh, I got you. Okay. There he goes.
Wait.
Yes. We did it! We did the right thing, right? Correct? Am I wrong on that, or am I correct? Wait. I feel like there's a secret we're missing. Come over here. Is there anything on the left side, or am I
Wait,
just...
why am I doing? I'm like leading like a green thing? Did you see that?
Yeah, because you're strong here. Oh, okay, no, I'm just crazy. I thought we were missing something. Whoopsie! Hey, I'll grow you. I'll shrink you.
You can't. I don't have the pollen on me.
Get pollen on you. Have allergies.
No, I grow to like an insane amount. It's like, oh crap.
Hello. Hello.
I knew it was only a matter of time before you tried to interfere with my ingeniously deep-fried plan. Fortunately,
It's deep. It has to be deep fried.
when all you have is hammers.
Okay. Oh, wait.
Oh, I get it.
Oh.
That's lame.
He made a stupid pun. Oh, wow. Of course. Oh, wait, we can... That's great. I shrunk him. He has pollen on him. Oh, that's so cool. They can't move because the beanbags are too big. Crap. That's really cool. I like this. Oh, wait, crap. So they need to be small. They need to be...
Whoa! Oh, that's how that works.
That's so cool. I love this mechanic. This is great.
Got him.
And we're leveling up like crazy.
Well, we're level 1.
Yeah, it's fine.
You just call it garbage.
Oh, it's a trash chute. Wow, these puns are lame.
Agreed.
Okay, you go left. Yeah, you go left, I go right. I can't see, okay. And we're chapter 30. Running afoul. Is there any upgrades I can get? Mainly me. Of course there's not. Okay! I'll be right back in the next episode. What is this?
Don't worry about it.
Okay, so, I'll be right back in the next episode. Peace out and stay awesome. Goodbye.